Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and those are my empties for June. Yeah, but it's not as much as the previous month because that one was cumulative. This is only for this month, and besides what I have in a bin, I have two more items, and I'm gonna start with them. First, it's toner from Misha. Misha, it's a Korean brand. Super Aqua, that's one of their hydrating lines. Super Aqua, 10 hyaluronic acid, skin essence. Essence in toner formulated with 10% hyaluronic acid provides lightweight, deeply hydrated finish to skin. 6.7 ounce, which is 200 ml. And let's see if maybe I can show you. Yeah, it's right here. So this product will be gone within the next couple of days, but I did decide to include it. It's a nice hydrating toner. It does what it's supposed to do. And then let me just yeah, this one. This is from number 7. That's their Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Day Cream SPF 30, suitable for sensitive skin. I do enjoy many number 7 products. This, as the name say, it's not really for me because it's Lift and Illuminate, but day cream with SPF 30. So I was like, you know what? Let me just use on it, and it's 25 ml, which is 0.8 ounce. And as much as I wanna like the product, I can't, and I'm gonna show you why. So it's a nice consistency, not too heavy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but because it's Lift and Illuminate, it has that glowing effect. Or let's say if your skin is really dull and you need to bring it back to life, you want some shine in it, this will give you a shine. Unfortunately, that's not what I like, and I think I use like half of it. And you know what? I'm gonna say it goodbye. Why? Because as much as I like this product, I prefer their other version, which is Protect and Perfect Intense Day Cream SPF 30. So pretty much it's the same thing, but doesn't has that illumination effect, so no, it's not gonna be glowy. Also, I went through a couple full tubes of this product. This is their updated package. So depending what do you expect from the moisturizer, it's your choice. I prefer this because I do like shine like a Christmas tree. So I got those two items out of my way. Let me talk what's in the bin. And I'm gonna start with conditioner. That's Neutrogena Triple Moisture Daily Deep Conditioner with Deep Moisture Benefit for soft, smooth, totally touchable hair day. Treats extra dry, over-processed and color-treated hair. I do enjoy this product. I have it in the past. Within that Triple Moisture lane, there is a shampoo, conditioner, and there used to be a mask. In reality, I don't really see this one in the store anymore. If they discontinue, I don't know, maybe you can only buy on the Neutrogena website, but it has olive, penetrates the center, meat foam seed, help moisturize the middle, sweet almond, rub the surface. I do enjoy it because this product works, and it's one of those dummy proof items which you can recommend to almost anyone, and they do gonna enjoy it. So if I do gonna see it someone, definitely I'm gonna repurchase. Then talking, you know what, here we go, talking about not BODYCARE, either way. This is a body butter from Soap and Glory, shea butter, vitamin E, rose hip oil, original pink rose bergamot. That's their pink. Yeah, it has a nice sweet scent. Over the years, I use many of those small and big sizes. It's nice scent if you like sweet fragrances, but after a while you can get over it. Pretty much it can be overpowering. I do like the product, but I will not repurchase because I need a little break. But yes, it's a thicker butter which will hydrate your skin. So yes, it is worth looking into it. Then what do we have up here? Here we go. A finisher up fragrance from Estee Pleasure. Over the years, I went through many bottles of it. It's nice, crisp, fresh, flowery scent. I think in one of my videos, I compared this to walking in the flower garden after the rain, but it's a light scent. It's none of those where, let's say, you're gonna go in the garden and you're gonna get headache right away. No, this is a nice, pleasant scent, and it will smell different on anyone. So I'm gonna post the notes somewhere on the screen. By the way, if I talk about certain items previously, I'm gonna link to those videos, so they're gonna be either here on the screen or in the description box. Then makeup item, I have two of them. First is the L'Oreal, I believe, Brow Stylist. Yes, Brow Stylist Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara in a shade Dark Brunette. Charlotte Tilbury, she has her legendary brow, which is like a mascara for the brows with a tiny brush. So this could be something similar. It does has a tiny brush, so pretty much you're gonna brush it through your brows, and depending what color you have, it can tint, but yes, it's gonna make them look more presentable. I have this product in the past, so I know I do like it and I will repurchase. Maybe not at the moment, but somewhere in the future. By the way, L'Oreal most of the time is on sale, so you can just save yourself money. Where is that thing? Here we go. And then we have Garnier Micellar Water. This is like a dupe for the Bioderma micellar water, but it's way cheaper and it works, let's say, almost the same. Micellar cleansing water, cleans, removes makeup, suits for all, no rinse, no rubbing, no residue, face, lips, eyes, all skin types. Garnier, they have a whole range of their micellar waters. In order to remove makeup, you don't need that expensive, so yes, this is nice item. Then, one more makeup item is the sponge. At this time, I don't even remember which company it's from, because I have a whole stash of sponges, but when I was applying my makeup with it, I could see some small particles and I didn't know why do I have them. And pretty much the longer you use that, the sponge is gonna actually start falling apart and breaking. So it's time to say it goodbye, and yes, I already replaced with a new one. Then yeah, let's go with this. I'm gonna go with the, I'm keep dropping stuff. I'm gonna move over to the serum. It's the Estee Brown Butter Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex. It's one of those products which I'm sure you saw it and people been talking about it everywhere. I use it for many years. I like it. It's one of those items which you cannot really go wrong with. It repairs your skin while you sleep, but with the new formula, you can use it both during the day and night. And yeah, it's my staple, and definitely I'm gonna repurchase. Then another one, it's number 7. That's their 15% vitamin C, suitable for all skin types, 25 ml, which is 0.8 ounce. I went through many of those, and the thing which I do enjoy is the long pipette, because sometimes the pipette is short, and once you get to certain amount, you cannot really get the product anymore. So either you have to move the bottle or no, just keep pouring on your hand. With this, it goes all the way till the end. So yes, I do enjoy it. And here we go. Power 15% vitamin C, Potent treatment reveals your skin natural radiance by improving the appearance of skin texture, tone, complexion, reduces the appearance of uneven skin tone, pigmentation, dull skin, is left looking instantly glowing. With vitamin C, you will have to, okay, if you use vitamin C or any other product which is supposed to brighten your skin or work with pigmentation, you want to make sure to use sunscreen afterwards, because there is no point for you to make your skin look better and then skip the sunscreen and then you have sun causing you all the damages. So whatever you're trying to repair, sun's gonna damage it right after. So don't forget to use sunscreens with your vitamin C products. Item from Hado Labo, anti-aging hydrator with hyaluronic acid, collagen, retinol complex, fragrance-free, 50 ml, and serum, anti-aging hydrator, absorbed in second, penetrates to boost skin hydration. This is like your hyaluronic acid, but with a pump. You're getting 50 ml, which is a lot, because most of the time in a serums you're gonna have only 1 ounce. So this is almost like double of the size for less than $20. And I already have like 3 or 4 bottles. Yeah, I already used in the past 3 or 4 bottles. It's one of those items which you cannot really go wrong with. The way how I use it, after I apply vitamin C, which is a little bit sticky, I'm gonna follow up with hyaluronic acid. This has a little milky formula, which is nice. And overall, hyaluronic acid, it's gonna provide you hydration. So yes, I do enjoy it, and definitely I will repurchase. Then from Paula's Choice Moisturizer with SPF, resist skin restoring, broad spectrum SPF 50, normal dry skin. What it does: silky cream hydrates skin, defends skin against sun damage, prevents sign of aging. It's a simple moisturizer with SPF, so it's like dummy proof product which you cannot go wrong with. Yes, I do like it. I think they even have this one with a tint. You get SPF 50, so it's a perfect product for the summertime, or even if it's not summer, SPF, it's one of those items which you want to keep using and using. Then Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Lift Firm Day Cream with SPF 30. As you see the pattern, I'm using products with SPF. Even if I'm not going to use the sunscreen on its own, I want something to have the sunscreen in it, because something is better than nothing. And even though this is similar like the one from number 7, Lift and Illuminate, no, it's not for me, but because of the ceramides, which are good for your skin, that's why you have the CeraVe. You have the ceramides, SPF. The texture of a cream is really nice. It's a little thicker than a lotion, but it's not as heavy as regular moisturizer. And I do like the smell. It's not the typical SPF scent, there is something in it. For me, it smells like sunflowers. But either way, I do like this product, and I don't mind repurchasing a full size, unless maybe I have somewhere in my stash. But yes, I did enjoy it. Then from Cos de Baja, which I know I did video in the past, and since then I'm sure they come up with many more items. But this is Cos de Baja, their peptide cream with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and I'm sure something else. It's 45 ml, which is 1.5 ounce. It's a little bit, I'm gonna call it sticky. It's like if you ever use product with snail mucin, so that's how it was. So it was like a lotion, but it was a little bit sticky lotion. But it did provide hydration, and it lasted me for a while, because even though the tube felt empty, I will still keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing stuff. So yes, it is a nice product, and I do see myself repurchasing. Then from Origins, I have their ginseng moisturizer, all free energy boosting gel moisturizer. It's a small sample, half an ounce, which is 15 ml. But yes, I went through many of those. Also, I have a full sizes. If you're familiar with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, this is something similar, except this smells like oranges. So if you want something to wake you up in the morning, this is perfect. However, if you don't like scents in your skincare, then I will say skip it. And here I have 4 more items from Lancome, small, let's say deluxe sample size of their absolute premium sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 15 day cream, rejuvenating. And what was it? Premium. That has to be one of their, let's call it the top lines, which most of the time are expensive because of the good ingredients. But I use it because of the SPF, same as this and this and this, and the one from what was it, and the other one from number 7. Either way, I use it up because I have it. I use it because I have it, and because of my job and different traveling in my off time. I rather take smaller sizes with me because it's more convenient. So if you're gonna watch my empties, you're gonna see full size products and small ones. Most of the time it's gonna be out of smaller ones. 3 items left. First one, it's from CeraVe, resurfacing retinol serum with essential ceramides, root extract and niacinamide. Apparently it has encapsulated retinol. And what do you do? Lightweight formula, ceramides, retinol, even skin tone, helping fade the appearance of post-acne marks and pores, refine complexion while developing restore protective skin barrier. If you use retinol, obviously it's gonna make your skin look better, and the other 2 ingredients then just help. If you never use retinol, you wanna start slowly or with something which is gently. So this is perfect. If you already using retinols in your skincare, this will not be enough. So if you're having a break in between, or you want to go back, or you don't know where to start, this is not a bad item. Comes with a pump and it has a form of a gel. Then from L'Oreal, I have their peel pads with brightening peel pads, and if memory serves me right, this was 10% AHA, the alpha hydroxy acid. Acids, they're gonna remove the dead layer of your skin and then make it easier for the new one to just come outside. Overall, acids are good for your skin, just depends which skin type you have. Some people say that AHA, it's good for dry skin, BHA for oily and combination. If you're sensitive, you can easily use mandelic or the lactic acid, which comes from milk. It's up to you. And the last item is the Jasmine Eye Cream from Jaya. Jasmine butter, microcollagen, hyaluronic acid, dry mature skin. This was a nice moisturizer for underneath my eyes. What I like about it was, I don't think you can really see it, but the product has a little tint, so it wasn't really white, it was a little darker. So sometimes when you're on the go and you don't have time for your makeup or something, you just put this underneath and at least your skin's gonna be looking tiny bit better. And because of it, I don't mind rebuying. And in fact, I was a little bit skeptical about this product, but yes, I did like it. And yeah, that's all what I have for you this time, and I see you in the next video. Bye!